When it comes to safety, protecting your employees and operations is non-negotiable. You know that. But with hazardous environments come safety challenges. Don't worry, we've got you covered. At Sentric, we deliver solutions that help ensure employee safety. Whether you're planning a project or already have equipment installed, we collaborate with you to prevent avoidable accidents. Partnering with us guarantees customised safety solutions tailored to your needs. Our interlock safety experts can review your operations, whether you need a site survey, a scheme design, a bill of materials or installation support. We're here to partner with you on the best solution. We can even coordinate across multiple OEMs to ensure consistency and efficiency. Most importantly, we deliver optimal safety by mitigating the risk of human error every step of the way. But why work with us? We are trusted experts in safety and we're dedicated to it. We have been leading the industry for over 100 years, boosting productivity and providing solutions at off-the-shelf speeds. Partnering with us means peace of mind for you, because we promise you no compromise on safety. Together we will work for a safer tomorrow. Want to find out more? Get in touch with one of our experts today.